Lowe's has just launched one of the most surprising tool promotions of the year, and it's already turning heads across the tool community. For a limited time, Lowe's is giving away 2 DEWALT 20V max batteries completely free, and today I'm going to walk you through exactly how the offer works, why they're doing it, and how you can make sure you don't miss out. Whether you're a professional contractor, a homeowner, or a weekend DIYer, getting 2 free batteries is a big deal, especially with how expensive power tool platforms have become. So let's break down everything you need to know. To understand why this deal is creating so much excitement, you first need to realize how valuable the DEWALT 20V max battery system is. These batteries power one of the largest cordless tool ecosystems in the world. From drills, impacts, saws, grinders, vacuums, nailers, outdoor equipment, and even lighting, the entire DEWALT 20V max lineup depends on these packs. Because of that demand, DEWALT batteries aren't cheap, and promotions that give them out for free are extremely rare. Lowe's stepping up with 2 completely free batteries instantly caught the attention of contractors and homeowners alike. Now, how do you actually get the 2 free batteries? The first thing to know is that Lowe's is tying this giveaway to select DEWALT tool purchases. Lowe's typically runs what they call, buy one, get one free, but this time it's more like, buy one, get 2 free. Because you're getting a pair of 20V max batteries as a bonus. In most cases, the qualifying purchases include select DEWALT bare tools or toolkits. These usually include drills, impact drivers, combo kits, circular saws, and oscillating tools. But don't be surprised if outdoor equipment like string trimmers or blowers are part of the promotion as well. Lowe's usually updates the qualifying items frequently, which is why you need to check the product list online or look for the yellow promotional labels in store. Another important detail is that Lowe's almost always requires the purchase to be made in a single order, whether online or in the store. If you're shopping online, the free DEWALT battery pack usually gets added automatically to your cart once you choose a qualifying item. If you're shopping in person, an associate will scan the promotional barcode or help you pick up the batteries at the register. Either way, the moment you buy the qualifying tool, you walk out with 2 20V max batteries at no extra charge. So why is Lowe's giving away free DEWALT batteries in the first place? The answer is simple: platform loyalty. In the world of cordless tools, batteries are the gateway. Once you have a few batteries from a brand, you're more likely to stay within that ecosystem for future tools. By giving away batteries, Lowe's and DEWALT are basically inviting shoppers to commit to the 20V max system. That leads to more tool sales down the road. And it helps DEWALT compete with other major brands like Milwaukee, Makita, and Ryobi, who also run aggressive battery-driven promotions. Let's talk about value for a moment. A pair of DEWALT 20V max batteries can easily cost over $100 on their own. In some cases, depending on the amp-hour rating, you might be looking at $129 to $199 for a 2-pack. So the fact that Lowe's is giving them away for free dramatically increases the value of whatever tool you're buying. A $99 drill suddenly looks like a $250 package. A $149 bare tool looks like an incredible steal. This is why pros love these promotions, because you're essentially stacking value without paying extra. Now, before you run to Lowe's, you need to know a few key rules. Most importantly, these offers are always limited time and while supplies last. Lowe's will not rain check free battery promotions. If the store runs out of the free battery packs, the promotion is usually considered over unless they get more inventory. That means if you're watching this video close to the start of the promotion, you should act quickly. These deals tend to disappear fast, especially in areas with lots of contractors. The earlier you check, the better your chances. Next, make sure you verify which battery pack Lowe's is giving away. Sometimes the free packs are compact 1.5 Ah or 2 Ah. Other times they're XR packs, which give you more runtime and power. No matter which version Lowe's is offering, free batteries are always a win. But it's good to know what you're getting so you can match them to the tools you plan to use. If you're running high draw tools like grinders or saws, you might prefer XR packs. If you're using drills or oscillating tools, the compact packs are perfectly fine. Let's also talk about returns, because people always ask about this. If you buy a qualifying tool and receive free batteries, you cannot return the free batteries for store credit or cash. And if you try to return the main tool, Lowe's will require you to return the batteries as well. The two items are tied together under the promotion. So once you take the deal, think of it as a bundle. Another topic that comes up is whether you can stack this offer with other Lowe's savings. Sometimes you can, depending on the promotion. For example, Lowe's often runs gift card promotions, bonus discounts for Lowe's credit card holders, and limited time coupons. Many of those can be combined with promotional tool deals, which means you might be able to save even more. Always check the fine print, and don't be shy about asking an associate to confirm. You might be wondering whether you should buy the qualifying tool even if you don't technically need it. The answer depends. If you're already in the DEWALT 20V Max system and you're going to use the tool, then absolutely, it's one of the best times to buy. If you're just starting out and don't have any DEWALT tools yet, this deal is actually one of the smartest ways to begin your setup. You walk away with your first tool plus 2 batteries, giving you everything you need to start growing your tool collection. If you're not in the DEWALT ecosystem at all and you don't plan to be, then even a great deal is still the wrong deal. But for most DIYers and pros, DEWALT 20V Max is a safe, reliable, long-term platform. Another thing to keep in mind is availability varies by location. Some stores will have tons of battery packs in the back, while others might only receive a small shipment. If your local store sells out, you can check the Lowe's website and look for nearby stores with stock. Lowe's inventory tracker is usually reliable, and many locations allow online ordering with in-store pickup, which guarantees the batteries will be held for you until you arrive. Now let's go deeper into why free battery promotions matter so much in the tool world. Cordless tools today rely heavily on battery technology. Better batteries mean more powerful tools, longer runtime, and less downtime on the job. DEWALT in particular has continued to improve both power output and thermal management in their newer battery packs. When you get free packs, you're essentially extending the life and workflow of your entire toolkit. You can run 2 tools at once, keep a backup while another charges, or dedicate certain batteries to certain tasks. The more batteries you have, the more productive you become. And let's not forget resale value. Tools are one of the rare consumer items that hold their value extremely well, especially when paired with batteries. If you ever decide to sell a DEWALT tool, having extra batteries can boost the resale price significantly. Some people even buy into these promotions just to flip the package. While I'm not suggesting you do that, it happens constantly in the tool world. Before we wrap up, I also want to mention that Lowe's has been pushing hard to compete with Home Depot this year, especially in the power tool category. Home Depot often dominates with Milwaukee promotions, while Lowe's leans heavily on DEWALT and Craftsman. By giving away 2 free DEWALT 20V Max batteries, Lowe's is making a bold move that brings more shoppers into the store. Competition like this benefits the customers because the promotions keep getting better every season. So now that you know how everything works, what tools qualify, why the deal exists, and how to make sure you don't miss out, the next step is simple. Check your local Lowe's or visit their website and see if they still have the promotion available. These deals do not last long, and once the batteries are gone, they're gone. If you found this breakdown helpful and you want more tool deals, power tool news, and money-saving updates, make sure you subscribe.